guys, welcome back to Sissy Spaces. It's officially fall, which means it's time to decorate for Halloween. I've gathered all of my Halloween decor, as well as a few fall decor pieces I plan to use today. Most of these items are old, but I do have a few new Halloween decor pieces, such as this globe ghost from Michael's, a 9-pack of these Fun Express orbs from Amazon. These small and large metal LED haunted houses are from Kirklands. The black cat and mice decals are from Michael's, and a 4-pack of the 18 by 18 Halloween pillow covers are from Amazon. To start, I want to build a crow's nest on this fireplace, so I'm using 5 of these branches from Hobby Lobby, and the crows are from Amazon. It didn't take long to complete, and I plan to hide the command strips with the black eerie fabric that I picked up from Target. To balance this side of the fireplace, I want to add these 2 crows from Kirklands and had placed the second crow on top of a bird cage, but it kept falling off, so I placed it on a stack of fake books from Home Goods instead. By the way, we are cleaning and decorating 6 spaces today, which includes this family room, kitchen, the double staircase, hubby's office, the dining room, and the guest room. So continue watching for a list of items used and where they're from, because most of these items are not linked. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, at the end of the video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. I switched these books around to give it a more streamlined look, and most of the decor items used on this console table were also used in my fall clean and decorate with me video, except this prehistoric rhino skull head, which is a Hobby Lobby clearance find, and the artwork is from Amazon. As you can see, we are cleaning each space before decorating it, but it's not taking long at all. And once we're done adding these Halloween decor pillows to the sofa, we'll vacuum the rug, empty the canister, and then clean and add a little decor to the ottoman. For those that watched my last video entitled Clean With Me 2024, our home continues to be very dusty due to the bathroom remodel. The different tiles have been laid, and they're currently measuring for the shower doors and preparing for the installation of the vanities. So far, everything is on schedule with a completion date of less than 2 weeks. We store our TV remotes in this salad bowl from Target, so I wanted to keep this space simple. Unfortunately, the eyeball orbs were not very practical here, so I moved them to another location. In place of the stretchy spider webs, I decided to use the white Halloween decorative fabric from Target because it's less messy. And after cleaning and decorating this desk that I use as a console table, I plan to add 3 out of the 8-pack of black glitter spiders from Walmart. few weeks ago, I spray painted these scallop bowls in a glossy black and decided the eyeball orbs from the family room would look great in this space. Once done vacuuming, we'll add the spiders to the web, get a look at this clean and decorated space, then clean and decorate the kitchen. Last year, I placed these hanging witch hats from Amazon on the chandeliers in this space, as well as the dining room. But this year, I wanted to change it up a bit by adding them to the ceilings. And of course, I needed to add something to the chandeliers. So I chose 4 of these faux branches from Michael's, as well as 2 out of the 6-pack of crows from Amazon. This eat-in kitchen table is used at least twice per day, so for practical purposes, we're keeping the decor minimal but cute. I do plan to use this KitchenAid stand mixer in a couple of weeks, but really want to decorate this space with this Halloween ghost decor piece I found at Home Goods on clearance last year. And along with this, I replaced the glass container of wine corks with a few more Halloween decor pieces found on clearance years ago. As a recap, we've cleaned and decorated the family room and kitchen, but have 4 more spaces to go, beginning with the double staircase. My plan is to recreate the witch's rack wall from last year. I'm using the same decor, but I'm also adding an additional witch hat and wand, which are both last year finds. By the way, the wand is from Universal Studios, as well as the cloak and scarf. And I'm adding these large bats from Target, and these smaller ones are from Amazon. Up next is the guest bedroom. Here, I want to clean and decorate this small dresser, similar to the console tables located in the family room. Except, instead of pumpkins, fossils, and haunted houses, I'm going with a skeletal theme, and I'm using the same branches I used on the fireplace earlier today with your Hobby Lobby finds. By the way, all of the TV art is from YouTube, and here's another view of the staircase and the 3 extra hanging witches hats mentioned earlier. Also from here, we'll clean and decorate our 5th room of today, which is the dining room. And as you can see, I've already hung the hats and we'll decorate the chandelier similar to the one in the kitchen, but we'll add different decor to the table. Now that our table is clean, we can add these black branches from Joann's to the chandelier. I'm using 4 of these and picked them up on clearance this past summer, so I'm not sure if they're still available. And I'm adding the remaining 2 of the 6-pack of crows from Amazon. Once these chairs are returned, we'll add our centerpiece to the table. At one point, I had planned to add a tablescape, but decided against it because I needed additional items. And with this ongoing bathroom remodel, it didn't fit the budget. So I settled on using this centerpiece instead, which was also used last year to decorate the kitchen table. In hubby's office, I want to add some old but also new decor to the bookcase, but first we need to clean it. I've already turned the books around and placed them on their spines to give it a more seamless look. Also, I removed one of the large baskets from the center to add 2 new decor pieces from Studio McGee. And with the boys' help, we've already gathered and organized the decor we plan to use in this space today. As you can see, most of the Halloween decor pieces are of a skeletal theme, although I do plan to add some witch decor here as well. Also, all of these decor pieces are from Michael's, except the spiders, wicker witches hats, and faux black books. I wanted to add something around this air purifier, although removing it would have looked better. But this was a final gift from my husband's late best friend, so it has sentimental value and will remain in place until hubby's ready to remove it. And these are the wicker witches hats mentioned earlier that were an investment but are worth every penny. Later, I did remove this fabric from the center shelves because it didn't fit the space, and I placed the 3 spiders from it on the sides where the larger spiders were previously shown. To finish cleaning and decorating hubby's office, we need to clean the desk and chair, as well as vacuum the floors. I'm using the pledge wood oil on the desk, and we'll use the Wyman's leather wipes on this leather chair. Also, instead of using the Swiffer dry sweeping pads to clean the floors, I opted to use the Dyson V15 vacuum instead. I did remove this black chair pad and vacuumed underneath it. And I dusted under the desk because, as you can see, the vacuum can only do so much. I'm also looking for a rug for this space, and as soon as I find something I like, I'll share it with you. This is Max's space, so that's the reason for the dog hair. Also, once we're done dusting, I want to show you all the other decor pieces removed from the decorated spaces today, and the remaining Halloween decor we didn't use. But I may use a few of these pieces in our newly remodeled bathroom So if you're not already subscribed, please do so you don't miss it. I do plan to pack these items away for now, and I'm using my fall and Halloween bins to store them. Although not shown here, I do have a clear bin on the floor and will be storing most of my larger pieces in there. And the breakable items will be secured in packing paper and placed in the orange bin. But first, I want to wrap my stems and place them upright in my decor closet. The family and I would also like to send out our thoughts and prayers to those affected by Hurricane Helene. We live south of Atlanta, and although Atlanta was hit pretty hard and sustained damage and rising floodwaters, we were very lucky not to receive the same. By the way, to my current subscribers, thank you for always returning to watch my videos, and I'm very humbled by your comments and suggestions. I enjoy creating content on YouTube, and I plan to keep it up as long as I can. Also, if you're new to my channel, introduce yourself, and I promise I will respond as I always do. This large pumpkin was a pain to wrap, but whenever I store my decor, I take time and I'm very careful when doing it to ensure the decor lasts for years to come. This orange tub is over 10 years old and it's beginning to show its age. I'm trying to keep it as long as possible, so to hold it together, I place black duct tape over the cracks, but eventually may just place it all around the entire tub itself. Although I didn't vacuum last night, I did organize all of my Christmas decor in the bins to remind myself of what I currently have. Because once the bathroom remodel is complete, I do plan to budget for new Christmas decor to replace the ones I recently donated. At this point, I did struggle to get this orange bin back on the shelf, and I think I cracked it in the process, so yes, it will receive additional duct tape. If you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching Sissy Spaces. And if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.